Hello friends, welcome to Engineers Revolve. Till now we discussed about extrude cut and revolve option also. And if you check with the previous videos, we also discussed about revolve, extrude conditions also. And in this video now we are discussing about revolve with horizontal axis at the same time inclination angles. So how it will works? First of all, select the center line and select the plane. Okay, and create one center line in horizontal. Okay, and now suppose I am giving one condition like this sketcher. Okay, see in this sketcher, same if you look at the previous videos, in extrude conditions we discussed about conditions, like extrude condition video, and we discussed about what are the conditions we should follow. So the same three conditions are following here, and one more extra condition is there, that is this center line. Okay, this center line, okay, whatever the center line is there, and we created our sketcher here. Okay, it should not exceed at center line. That means it should lie at any one side of your object, at any one side of your center line. That means this is your center line. Okay, and you are completely creating this sketcher. Okay, even though it is following all those three conditions whatever we discussed earlier, but one more extra condition will be added in this revolve option, that is the sketcher, whatever the sketcher you have created, that it should be lie at any one side of your center line. That means it should not exceed the center line. Okay, so that's the reason I'm creating I'm creating sketcher inside of the center line. Okay, and one more thing, and that the sketcher, whatever the sketcher we are creating, that it can be lie on the center line also. It doesn't matter. Okay, if at all it lie on the center line, you know that the solid object will be created, and you know that video also is there. If you want, go and check that video. And now I'm creating with the distance. Okay, and okay, this sketcher is following all the three conditions. And if you want to give the dimension, you can make it dimension like this. Okay, and create exit. Now go to features, select revolve. This is your object. So this is how you are going to create revolve object. That means the sketcher is rotated about the center line in 360 degrees angle, and you don't want that 360 degrees. I want some particular angle. Just mention the dimension here. I want 45.25 degrees. It means it rotating about the center line with an angle of 45.25 degrees. Okay, this is how your object will develop. Otherwise, if you want to create it in 360 degrees, make it 360 degrees. This is okay. By this I have followed all the conditions, and all the conditions and everything I have discussed about revolve option. And next one, one more time I'm using this same sketcher, but now with inclination. As of now it is horizontal and vertical axis, right? Now I'm creating a sketcher with some inclination angle. This is exit and select revolve about this axis. See, the sketcher is rotating about this axis. This is how you will get the object if you have that inclination. Okay, I hope you have got all the conditions regarding revolve and extrude options. Still you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye. Thank you.